Want to pair your AirPods, AirPods Pro or Max to your Nintendo Switch 2 via Bluetooth for stealth gaming? Then this is how you get them connected. To connect your AirPods, first from our Nintendo's home screen, go down and head to System Settings. Then, from the sidebar, go down to Bluetooth Audio, press A or go to the right, and now from here we'll need to select Pair Device. Now you can see your Nintendo is searching for your Bluetooth audio device. So grab your AirPods and take them into pairing mode. If you have the first, second or third generation of AirPods or Pro, then you'll need to press and hold the setup button at the back until you see the white LED starts flashing. And in case you have the fourth generation, then you'll need to tap twice right below the LED to get them into pairing. After that, your AirPods will appear here. Now, while they're highlighted, press A to pair. In a second, it will say connected, and we can already see our AirPods at the top left. Following the same process, you can connect any model of AirPods. But in case you have the AirPods Max, then to put it into pairing mode, after taking it out of the smart case, you'll need to press and hold the noise cancelling button until you see the white LED at the bottom flashing. The rest of the process is the same. So this is how simply you can connect your AirPods to your Switch 2. Hope this helped and enjoy!